So over here you can see that I have a video footage, and if I were to press the play button, you can see that it's some hands typing on the keyboard right here. Let's say what I want to do is I want to utilize the pan and zoom effect so that the frame isn't very still right here, just like this. So in that case, you can go around over here under edit, and here you can see that pan and zoom is in effect right here. So if I were to go around and click right here, then this is what you have. As you can see, a new window opens up, and then you got this particular footage right here. So what you can do is you can utilize this pan and zoom option right here. So you can see that this is the first section right here. Then what you can do is you can go all the way right here, and you can see that this is the zoom section right here. You can go around and resize it right here, and then place it wherever you want. You can also see that there's a third section right here, just like this. Or you can go around and hit the delete key and delete it out. And over here, what you will be able to see is that it slowly goes around and zooms in right here. You can also go around and add in a frame between right here. And let's say, for example, add in a third sequence right here, just like this. So what happens is that there is a pan right here. So this is the first screen, this is the second, and this is the third, as you can see right here. You can go around and preview this out as well, and then what happens is that you can see that it zooms in over there just like this, and then it zooms in over there just like that right there. So now let's say what I also want to do is add in, let's say, another frame right here just like this, or maybe let's say, for example, over here, and you can see that this is what you have as well. So you can go around and change this out. So let me just go around and resize this, and then you can preview this out right here, or you can go around and press done, and what happens is that this is applied and the pan and zoom is added in. So if I were to press the play button, you can see that it slowly goes down right there, and then as per how we worked out, it goes around and pans out to the other section with a bit of zoom right there as well. So that is how you can work around with pan and zoom option inside of Adobe Premiere Elements. So I hope you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.